Hey everyone, it's your favorite English coach, and today I'm here to help you master the English accent so you can speak like a native. Whether you're preparing for a job interview, trying to impress your friends, or just want to feel more confident in your conversations, I've got some killer tips for you. So, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about phonemes. Those tiny sounds that make a huge difference in your accent. Try to really listen to how natives pronounce certain tricky sounds, like the th in the or the v in view. Mimicking these can elevate your accent instantly. A great way to practice is by repeating after native speakers. You can find tons of pronunciation videos right here on YouTube. Just search and follow along. Next up, why not challenge your tongue with some tongue twisters? Say this fast. She sells seashells by the seashore. Tongue twisters are not just fun, but they also improve your pronunciation skills by training your mouth muscles to get used to new word formations. More practice means less accent. Now, how about expanding your vocabulary while sharpening your pronunciation? Every time you learn a new word, make sure you learn how to pronounce it correctly. There are plenty of apps and websites that can help you with this. Just type the word listen and repeat. And speaking of repeating, one of the best ways to hear your progress is by recording yourself. Read a short passage, record it, and then play it back. How close do you sound to a native speaker? This exercise can be a real eye-opener and a fantastic way to track your improvement. Don't forget to plug in some earphones and listen to English podcasts. This can be a relaxing way to absorb the natural flow and rhythm of the language. You'll start picking up nuances and patterns without even realizing it. Here's a tip. Speak slowly. Yes, in your quest to sound like a native, don't rush through sentences. Speaking slowly helps you to enunciate clearly and gives you time to think about the correct pronunciation of words. And finally, the best tip of all, spend more time talking to native speakers. Whether it's through language exchange meetups, online chat rooms, or just making friends, real-life practice is unbeatable. You'll learn slang, idiomatic expressions, and cultural nuances that textbooks just can't teach. So there you have it. With a bit of practice, a dash of courage, and a sprinkle of fun, you'll be on your way to sounding like a native English speaker. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on mastering the English language. And remember, every expert was once a beginner. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.